Hello everyone, my name is Prathiksha K and I'm from first year Computer Science branch, Srinivas Institute of Technology, Malachal, Mangaluru. Today I'm going to present a topic on adjustable fit shoes. So adjustable fit shoes create shoes that can automatically adjust their fit based on the wearer's foot size and shape. So it could be achieved using materials with the shape memory properties or employing a system for adjustable strap or laces that adapt to the foot. So these shoes typically incorporated mechanisms or features that allows for modification in the shoe's fit such as width and volume. So here are some applications for the adjustable fit shoes. Adjustable fit shoes is also used in a mechanical purposes. That is, adjustable fit shoes can be beneficial for individuals with foot conditions such as plantar fasciitis. These shoes can accommodate orthotics, provide extra cushioning, or allows for more room in specific areas and to elevate discomfort. So it is also used in sports and athletic performance. So it is very useful for sports and athletic performance. That is, adjustable fit shoes are popular among athletics as they enable precious fit adjustments for better performance and reduces risk for injuries. It is also used in aging population, that is elderly individual may experience change in foot size or condition that requires adjustable fit shoes. So it is also used in convenience and versatility. So adjustable fit shoes are generally more versatile and convenient for individuals who frequently experience fluctuation in foot size due to the factors like swelling, pregnancy, and weight changes. So here are some materials used for adjustable fit shoes. So adjustable fit shoes typically utilizes various materials to provide flexibility and customization for the comfortable fit. So while there are different brands and designs available, here are some materials used for the adjustable fit shoes. And it is important to note that the specific materials used can vary depending on the brand, model, and intended use of shoes. So it is important to note that specific mechanism, features, applications, and designs of adjustable fit shoes can vary across different brands and models. It recommended to explore various options and consult with a foot wearer professionals, podiatrists, to find the most suitable fit shoes for individual needs. Thank you.